everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can receive money on Remitly. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is, first of all, you have to make sure that you do have a Remitly and your app is updated. Now go ahead, open the app up and get signed in. Now the things that you have to make sure is you have to have a bank account or mobile payment or mobile money app payment source within the three. Then you have to have the information of the sender, so you have to provide the sender with your correct account number, mobile wallet, or other preferred method that you would like to receive money on. And then you have to simply go ahead and provide that to your sender. Once you have given that to your sender, the sender will add in the information and proceed the transformation, proceed the completion of the money transfer. Once they have done it, you will receive a reference number which you have to provide to collect the money. Once you have got the reference number, you have to provide the reference number so you can collect the money. And once you have collected the money, that is how easily you will be able to receive the money. So the most important thing is you have to make sure that you have the correct information of your any payment method that Remitly supports. Then you have to make sure that your sender provides you the reference code, because if the reference code is not with you, you won't be able to receive the money. Make sure of that and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.